Okay. This is a very unusual setup.
There's nowhere else to put the like out back it like drops up a wing. I don't even know how you get ductwork in the house because it's so bad. And the property lines are just so tight. We had this thing put in years ago, obviously. The best way to do it was to stick the condenser up the side so it could discharge. I guess we could have always been in a split. But back then, these things were just so cheap.
Yeah.
Let's see what she told me here. She does say that it doesn't blow sometimes, so or it doesn't blow hot air, so it feels cool to her. And like I said, that's from our past experience, because I've got 6 houses that have got these Goodman units. They seem to be, we've replaced sequencers on them many times. Seems like,
Let's see.
I won't hover over you.
You're not bothering me any.
I'm working on another rental property. I have a block of these. Not very far.
So they are home if I need to get in for the
But I'll
thermostat.
stick her in. Yeah.
Okay.
Thermostat's right in the middle of the house in the hallway.
All right.
Like I said, my name is sequence.
We'll take a look. See what we can figure out. So is this just straight air conditioning
It
with
is-
electric heat?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. And what's interesting, Brandon, is we had such a problem with these things. A guy that worked for me many years ago cut a hole in the side of the ductwork over here and put a sight glass in so you could see the coils. Just to see if they were coming on. Like, you can test those, right? To see if there's power across.
I guess that either seemed easier or he didn't know how to test them. One or the other.
Or he just was unsure of himself. I don't know. Like, I gotta see this to believe.
Oh, let's turn it on here. See what happens.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah, man.
I have to run down to the shop.
Okay.
So if you done, you know what the thermostat. Well, y'all
Yeah,
know
yeah.
everything. So if you leave before I get back, will you just lock the bottom door for me?
Sure
Thank
will. Thanks, man.
Well, didn't do anything. Nope. Oh, there we go. A little delayed. I can smell the heaters. Oh, never mind.
2 of them burn off. I don't know how I didn't see that. That will definitely do it. Yeah, because that goes to one of them. Wow, this is a 20 kW heater. It's a lot.
Yeah, that's not the sequencer goes to. It just goes to the coil there, doesn't it?
Well, it comes off the sequencer and goes to this limit.
It goes to that coil over there.
And so
I was sort of right.
you're in the right area.
It's a symptom of a sequencer.
Yeah. So we will let me grab my little box of wires, because that's pretty burnt, pretty far back.
Yeah, just put a new wire on it.
Let's put a new one on it and we'll check everything out. Let me get this fixed up. Wire there burnt. That one already looks like it's been replaced once. Actually, a lot of these look like they've been replaced. That one's burnt. Okay. Let's see what we got here for wires. We got that one. Try to keep them the same color. Not gonna be able to though. Well, I have to go with black. There we go. Now let's put some insulated ends on it. I grabbed enough wire ends. Have to be insulated, but looks better. Okay. Pull this one off. Put that one on. Guess it really. Well, I'll put the right one here. Because on the bottom, all these match. Really wish I had a yellow wire though. Keep it the same. The yellow wire I got is way too big. way too thick. So we'll just have to do black. I don't think. Well, I can try and see. It's not gonna reach. I don't know how I missed that. I think I was just so interested in the setup here. I missed it. Very interesting setup.
Feels good down here compared to outside.
Yeah. Yes, it does.
Something brand new too with these units. We bought them all in a span of a few years.
That's what I was afraid of.
Houses that we have. But last year,
That
I
hole.
had a coil go out, and I couldn't replace it. They didn't make it anymore.
Yeah.
It's like,
I could
cow,
see
are
that.
you kidding me? I've got to replace an entire unit just to
Well,
put a new heat kit in
You're probably going to be replacing a motor soon too.
it. And this one,
Yeah, because this one's covered in oil.
okay.
This whole limit is burned up
Gotcha.
right here. So let me go see if I have one. I don't know that I'll have one or not.
Okay.
Yeah, I did not expect to have one, and I actually have two with this temperature. So we can get this one out of here. To take that one out to get that one out. There's my Did you see all the oil I was talking about though?
Yeah, I moved it around. It's got a little bit of play in and out, but not so much. But I think you're right. Probably won't be that long before it starts screaming.
Probably not. Okay. I can't believe I had that limit. Not something I carry very many of, so to have one in that exact size surprised me.
Always good to save a trip down to where you guys normally go, Johnstown.
Well, for a Goodman, the closest place would have been Johnstone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, my wire right here. Took it off. Okay. quick look at everything else. This looks good. All right. Back on. Hopefully it actually came back on. Okay, we're good there. Good there. They're all working. Amps. 19 amps. 19 amps. What is it? Thankfully, I was afraid I was going to have to run to the supply house for that little limit. Future issues, yeah. The motors? Yeah, I mean, you don't have to. For something like that, you can get like a universal motor. It's
Can you? Okay.
fairly inexpensive, and we stock those on the truck. So if it starts screaming at you, just give us a call.
Yeah, that motor doesn't make a bit of noise there, does it? It spins it.
And it could do that for another
Yeah, and it
6 months to a year. Yeah, I mean, those motors are very unpredictable. Even when you see them covered in oil like that, you really don't know. It could go out tomorrow. It could last another year.
That's exactly what it is in the supposed to make.
Yep. Back together.
You didn't need in upstairs, right?
What is it?
Did you need in upstairs?
No, I was able to
Okay.
jump it out down here and check it. Okay. Yeah, motor's covered in oil. You can see it right there. It's a package unit. Look at that. Look at that coil. Not what I'm here for, though. As bad as I want to clean it. No heat call. AC with backup heat. Or with heat strips, straight AC. Do this hunched over. Okay, what was next? The bottom door. Oh, I did that backwards.